aerospace engineers. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Aerospace engineers primarily design aircraft, spacecraft, satellites, and missiles. Work environment. Aerospace engineers are employed in industries that design or manufacture aircraft, missiles, domestic defense systems, or spacecraft. In manufacturing, analytics, design, research and development, and with the federal government, aerospace engineers are employed. How to become one. Aerospace engineers must have a bachelor's degree in aerospace engineering or another field of engineering or science related to aerospace systems. The safety clearance may be required for aerospace engineers working on projects relating to national defense. Salary. The median annual wage for aerospace engineers is $116,500. Job outlook. In the next 10 years, the employment of aerospace engineers is expected to grow by 3%, almost as fast as the average for all occupations. Important qualities for aerospace engineers. Business skills. Much of the work done by aerospace engineers involves meeting federal government standards. Meeting these standards often requires knowledge of standard business practices, as well as knowledge of commercial law. Additionally, project management or systems engineering skills can be useful. Critical thinking skills. Aerospace engineers must be able to produce designs that meet governmental standards and to figure out why a particular design does not work. They must be able to ask the right question, then find an acceptable answer. Math skills. Aerospace engineers use the principles of calculus, trigonometry, and other advanced topics in math for analysis, design, and troubleshooting in their work. Problem-solving skills. Aerospace engineers use their education and experience to upgrade designs and troubleshoot problems when meeting new demands for aircraft, such as increased fuel efficiency or improved safety. Writing skills. Aerospace engineers must be able both to write papers that explain their designs clearly and to create documentation for future reference. Thanks for watching. To get the latest videos related to career and education, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comments section.